Right. In this session, we're considering accessibility issues for people who are partially sighted or who are blind and maybe using screen readers to access your web page. We now need to do is to provide what is called alternative text for the images. Now, what I have open right now is the WOM template.dwt. It's the template that's used as the basis for all the pages in a WOM website. Now, in it, it has some images, and what we would like to do is basically create alternative text for those images. Now, I've clicked on a home button, and at the moment the alternative text has been removed, but what you can simply put there is home. And basically it's a link to the home page, and that's simply what the alternative text indicates. So obviously for number one song, similarly you could just put number one song, and then for top 10 you put top 10 songs, and then for contact it will be contact us. You don't need to put things like buttons because it's basically a link taking you somewhere, and it just runs through the links. With the WOM, you could just put World of Music logo with a link to the music site, and the banner you could just put, hopefully I can get to the banner, World of Music banner with links to an external site. But you should try and be succinct, which means right to the point, and brief, but it still has to be informative. Now, there's so many different rules about what makes a good alternative text, and I advise you to check around the web for what the current prevailing best practices are. But I should put a link in the bottom of the description to show you one of them. But basically try and fill in the alt text with good information, brief information, but information that can be used to make the web page or website more accessible to those who have sight issues. So try it out and read around the topic, and if you have any comments, get back to me. But always try and make your web pages and websites accessible. This is tip number one. Hopefully I'll be coming back shortly with another tip. Thank you. Bye.